Yo! Hey guys, welcome back to Gadget Diamond. Now for the first time with my voice and my Sona. His name is Dabi, a half raccoon, half prodigy by the way. But that's not why I'm here with this video today. I made it to showcase my latest project I've been making in Godot for the past year, OmniCodex. What it is? It's a tool that's basically a personal OC database where you can create your characters or even write down some lore. I'm doing a simple overview showing you what it can do today. This is the main screen, where you can quickly see how many OCs you have in the project. Now there are the settings button and the start button. Here you can see some nice info about your project, like how many OCs, forms, books, or even text that you have. Here's a first look at the options. So far, the project only has English and Portuguese languages, since they are the ones I'm more comfortable with adding. But it's easy to create and share new ones, since I made it possible to add and edit them on your PC via TXT files. Here's the search screen. It's here where you'll be able to see the OCs you've created in their collections, which are groups that can be created to separate them. By default, there is only the all OCs and favorites, but no collection can also show up if you forget adding them to one. You guys might have noticed this button here on the settings. If you click them, a window will pop up with some extra hints about what the option does or what you can do with these screens. By clicking the add button, you go right away to the data screen. And here we are! You can add all kinds of info here, like the name, species, marking favorites, and even adding some lore. You can add new books to this shelf here by clicking the add button or by a menu that can pop up when you do the right click on the mouse. When creating a book, it shows right up its settings with the title, cover color, and even the size. All of these are just for visuals, so they don't change anything inside the book, as you can see. Right here you can add pictures. You can do this by clicking this button or by doing a simple drag and drop from your files manager. Here's where you can create some new collections and add tags to your OC to help search them via the search screen, like how I'll show you guys soon. You can also give your OC a custom icon to represent them on the search screen. Once everything is done, you can hit the save button. As you can see, this enables that plus button that's used to create separate forms inside the same character. Now let's return to the search screen. Here, take a look at the new collection added to the search bar. There's even a secret thing you can type here. I'll let you guys find it once it's released, but here's a small hint at the start. If you have a ton of OCs like me, it could be fun. And at last but not least, here's the library. Here you can create books separate from OCs, nice for putting stuff like shared lore or even some world building stuff. If you press the edit button, you can also rearrange the shelves. Also, here's a quick tour of my personal OmniCodex. As you can see, I have a ton of OCs, mostly in a work in progress state, and I also will have a ton of lore added, with even more coming soon. And I guess that's all I wanted to show you guys of the project today. Hope y'all can give it a try once it's released. See ya!